Hi everybody, we're going to do a quick drill with short and long vowel sounds. We have CVC words which have a short vowel sound, and we also have cvce words, those with a silent E, which have a long vowel sound. This chart in front of me is pretty familiar to all of the students at Northwest as they see them on posters or tabletop charts in their classroom pretty often when we were at school. So if you were going to practice something like this is how it works. We would go through each letter and say the letter, the key word, and the sound it makes in that word. So let's say this along with me. A, apple, A, safe, A, E, ed, E, Pete, E, I, itch, I, pine, I, O, octopus, O, home, O, U, up, U, mule, U, rule, oo. These are the short and long vowel sounds that you hear when you see different words that have the CVC or the CVCE pattern. And these will help you when you're decoding words in texts or stories and deciding, does it have a short or a long sound? This chart is available on our reading website and intervention website if you want to follow along and look at one of these to practice at home. Thanks.